Bullish quantum cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $9.41 and $20.49 by 2030. Market investigators accept Qtum could reach $9.41 by 2025. Bearish quantum market cost expectation for 2022 is $1.67. Quantum presentation. Qtum is a half-and-half blockchain application stage. It overcomes any issues among Bitcoin and Ethereum by consolidating their best highlights. Qtum utilizes the UTXO model of Bitcoin and the ERC20 token norm of Ethereum. This permits it to run shrewd agreements and decentralized applications while as yet handling high volumes of exchanges rapidly. The Qtum group is driven by Patrick Dye, a previous Alibaba leader, and Bruce Fenton, board head of the Bitcoin establishment. They have gathered a great group of counselors, including Roger Ver, Anthony D'Iorio, Zhu Star, Misthos Ionu, Kevin Goffman, and Y. Benhuel. The Qtum project has gotten help from a few major names in the crypto space. In WAC 2017, they raised $1 million from Finbushi Capital. In April 2017, they raised $4 million from Pioneer's Asset Angel List. Also, in September 2017, they brought $15 million up in an ICO. What makes Qtum special? The Qtum blockchain has two extraordinary advancements that expect to tackle the four issues its pioneers seen as most tricky in BTC and ETH blockchain stages: record reflection layer and decentralized administration convention. The record reflection layer takes into account more noteworthy interoperability between the Qtum blockchain and other blockchains and between savvy agreements and certifiable applications. This is on the grounds that it successfully makes a span between various blockchains, considering more straightforward communication. Also, all makes it conceivable to interface savvy contracts with true applications, which has been hard to do as of not long ago. The Decentralized Administration Convention resolves the issue of administration in blockchain stages. Under DGP, explicit boundaries of the Qtum blockchain can be adjusted by anybody who holds Qtum tokens, including things like as far as possible or block size. Significantly, these progressions are made through casting a ballot, guaranteeing that all partners have something to do with how the stage is run. Furthermore, DGP assists with making the Qtum stage more adaptable, as changes can be made rapidly and effectively if necessary. Together, these two innovations make Qtum an exceptional choice for organizations and designers searching for a hardy and savvy blockchain stage to fabricate their application. What is Qtum? Qtum has been intended to join the best highlights of both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Utilizing an UTXO exchange model, Qtum can offer the security of Bitcoin with the additional usefulness of shrewd agreements and dApps. The stage likewise upholds DeFi applications, furnishing clients with much more ways of utilizing Qtum. As of WAC 2021, there are north of 20 tokens made on the Qtum blockchain, making it one of the most flexible stages that anyone could hope to find. Qtum value history. In May 2017, Qtum was first recorded on trades and was esteemed at $4.65. Until November of that year, the resource exchanged the $10-$13 territory. Qtum broke over the $13 hindrance level on December 13th and rose to $62.70 in January 28th. Qtum's ascent compared with the organization's participation at Block Show Asia in November. The Qtum coin was underestimated before this occurrence. From January to WAC 2018, the cost of Qtum kept on rising, arriving at a record-breaking high of $85.70 in February 2018. Notwithstanding, the market before long adjusted, and the value tumbled to $4.30 by early September 2018. Qtum started to ascend in esteem in February 2021 and has remained somewhat stable from that point forward, with a couple of redresses. Qtum value estimate. A few elements add to this hopeful Qtum cost forecast. Qtum, right off the bat, major areas of strength has with an enormous and developing local area behind it. The group has likewise effectively executed its guide, bringing about numerous organizations and reconciliations with significant organizations, for example, Google and Amazon Web Administrations. At long last, the new send-off of principal netmarking is supposed to drive further reception of Qtum as it becomes one of the most open stages for decentralized applications and shrewd agreement. With these positive turns of events, it's no big surprise that the Qtum cost is estimated to keep ascending all through 2030 and then some. Qtum current cost. Qtum is right now worth $2.09 USD. Qtum has moved 6.76% as of now with an exchanging volume of $36,249,937. Qtum is right now positioned 115 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $219,886,395 USD. using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling difference from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Qtum to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Qtum Value Expectation 2022. Qtum, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Qtum cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $3.14. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2.93 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. Qtum is supposed to have a base worth of $2.51. Qtum Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, Qtum cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Qtum will before long outperform $5.23. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Qtum's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Qtum will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $4.18 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.60. Qtum Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $7.32 and Qtum might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Qtum is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $6.69 and a low of $6.27 in 2024. Qtum Value Expectation 2025. Assuming that Qtum effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the Qtum coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Qtum will be green in 2025. The Qtum is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $9.41, with a base cost of $8.36 and a typical cost of $8.78. Qtum Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Qtum cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $10.87 by 2026, with a base cost of $10.45 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Qtum has a most extreme value worth of $11.50. Qtum Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $12.96. On the off chance that Qtum figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $13.59. Neglecting to accumulate the help Qtum needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $12.54. Qtum Value Expectation 2028. While Qtum is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration,